Are you constantly feeling overwhelmed, like there just aren't enough hours in the day? What if I told you the secret to getting more done isn't about working harder, but smarter? And the key to unlocking this new level of productivity is probably already in your pocket. Welcome to the future of personal efficiency, powered by artificial intelligence. For a long time, we've relied on simple calendars and to-do lists. They're okay, but they're static. They don't adapt to the chaos of real life. An unexpected meeting pops up, a project takes longer than planned, and suddenly, your entire day is a mess. You spend more time rearranging your schedule than actually doing the work. Sound familiar? This is where AI completely changes the game. Imagine having a personal assistant that not only knows your schedule but understands your energy levels, your work patterns, and your priorities. That's what AI-driven scheduling tools do. Instead of you manually slotting tasks into your day, these apps analyze everything you need to do and suggest the optimal time to do it. Let's say you have a big report to write, a bunch of emails to answer, and a creative brainstorming session to prepare for. A smart scheduler knows you're most focused in the morning, so it will block out a 2-hour deep work session for that report right after your morning coffee. It also knows you tend to have an energy dip around 3 p.m., making it the perfect time to tackle those less demanding emails. The brainstorming session, it might schedule that for late morning when your creative juices are flowing, but before you mentally fatigued. It's like having a master strategist planning your day for peak performance. These tools are dynamic. If that emergency meeting gets scheduled, the AI doesn't just panic. It instantly reshuffles your other tasks, finding the next best slots for everything, ensuring your most important work still gets done. It takes the mental load of constant replanning off your shoulders, freeing up your brain power for what truly matters. It's not just about fitting things in, it's about fitting them in at the right time for you. But optimizing the schedule is only half the battle. What about staying on track? We all set reminders, but how many times have you swiped away a notification only to completely forget about it 5 minutes later? Standard reminders are dumb. They pop up at a set time, regardless of what you're doing. This is where AI-powered smart reminders come in. These systems are context-aware. An AI assistant can see from your calendar that you're in the middle of a meeting, so it won't buzz you with a reminder to call your client. Instead, it waits until your meeting is over and you're free. Some advanced apps can even use your phone's location. A reminder to pick up groceries won't pop up when you're at the office. It'll trigger when it detects you're leaving work and your route home passes by the store. It's timely, relevant, and incredibly effective. Now, let's talk about prioritization. A long to-do list can be paralyzing. Where do you even start? AI helps you cut through the noise. By learning from your past behavior, project deadlines, and stated goals, an AI can automatically sort your tasks using methods like the Eisenhower matrix, separating what's urgent and important from what can wait or be delegated. It flags the tasks that will have the biggest impact, ensuring you're always working on what moves the needle, not just what's screaming the loudest. Think of it this way. Your AI assistant becomes your accountability partner. It sees you've been procrastinating on a high-priority task and might gently nudge you, suggesting a 25-minute focus session to just get started. It learns that you always underestimate how long certain tasks take and will start building in a buffer automatically. This isn't about a robot bossing you around. It's about a smart system providing the support and insights you need to be your most effective self. Getting started is easier than you think. Many apps you might already use, like Google Calendar or Microsoft To Do, have AI features being built in. There are also dedicated apps, like Motion, Reclaim AI, or Todoist, that are leading the charge in this space. I encourage you to explore pick one tool, commit to using it for a week, and see how it transforms your daily routine. You'll be amazed at how much stress melts away when you have an intelligent system helping you manage the chaos. This is the new era of personal productivity. It's about leveraging technology not to add more to our plates, but to help us manage what's already there with more grace and efficiency. Stop fighting against time and start working with it with a little help from AI. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for more tips on living a smarter, more productive life. Let me know in the comments which AI tools you're excited to try. See you in the next one.